Have you ever wondered how 3D printers transform a liquid goo into a solid, tangible toy? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing. 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that allows us to create three-dimensional objects from digital designs, layer by layer. At its core, 3D printing is an additive process, meaning it builds an object by adding material, unlike traditional manufacturing methods that remove material. The goo we're talking about refers to the raw materials used. This could be plastic filament for FDM printers or liquid resin for SLA printers. The magic begins with a digital design, which is then translated into instructions for the printer. Before anything is printed, a detailed digital model, often created using computer-aided design software, is essential. This digital model is then Ors business to harnessed in Each layer contains specific instructions for the printer. Once the digital blueprint is ready, the printer springs to life, meticulously following each layer's instructions. Whether it's extruding molten plastic or selectively curing liquid resin, the material is deposited and solidified one layer at a time, building the object from the ground up. Fused deposition modeling, or FDM, melts and extrudes a plastic filament, layering it precisely to form the object. Stereolithography, or SLA, uses a laser to cure liquid resin, transforming it into solid plastic layer by layer. As each layer is added, the toy gradually takes shape, a testament to the intricate process unfolding before our eyes. It's truly mesmerizing to watch a complex toy emerge from seemingly nothing, evolving layer by layer. The core of the magic is the transformation of liquid resin or plastic filament into a robust, solid object. Once the printing is complete, the toy isn't quite finished. It needs some post-processing to bring it to perfection. Post-processing can include various steps, such as UV curing for resin prints, carefully removing support structures, and cleaning the toy to reveal its final form. These finishing touches are crucial for achieving a smooth surface, vibrant colors, and overall high-quality appearance, making the toy ready for play or display. From a digital idea to a physical toy, 3D printing is truly remarkable. It's a process that combines digital precision with physical creation, turning abstract designs into tangible objects. The possibilities for creating toys, prototypes, and countless other objects are truly endless, limited only by imagination.